Hey there, it's Toby here, and if you are going through chronic fatigue syndrome or fibromyalgia, I just want to firstly say that what you're going through is 100% real. You're not making it up, you're not crazy, it's not all in your head, it is 100% real what you're experiencing. I know for myself and many of the clients that I work with now, they've been on a merry-go-round of constantly going from specialist to doctor to therapist to you name it. Probably you've done it too, and you've kind of been bounced around and you haven't been given any practical help. Hopefully you've got a brilliant doctor who does believe in you and does understand what you're going through, but it's not uncommon to be told that you just need to push yourself more, or you need to stop being so stressed and eat better, sleep better, and exercise. And if that's you and you've been told that, or you think that you need that, it's not easy to put in place, especially when you're on your own and you've got life happening and you've kind of, got your own kind of battles going on. It is very hard to specifically have a plan for you and then be able to execute it and be able to be consistent at it. And, if you're struggling with pushing and crashing and kind of having these ups and downs all the time and lacking that consistency and having a good structure and routine and a forwards plan to help you get to where you want to go from where you are, and you're kind of stuck in this self-sabotage cycle of doing pretty good for a period of time and then going backwards. It's like one step forwards, two steps back. And the other thing I want to say is, when you're struggling with chronic fatigue syndrome and fibro, people that I work with, aren't lazy. You don't want to be in the situation you're in, The funny thing is, some people on the outside who don't get it just think that, you're just being lazy or you're making it up. But the people that I work with are typically type A personalities, they're high achievers, they're usually really gifted in whether it's arts, academia, sports or business, and it's usually a combination of those things, or at least one. I've never met anyone with chronic fatigue syndrome or fibro who didn't have a special gift, who wasn't unique, in their own right. And so that's just confirmation. And also the other thing is, if you do have, if you are struggling with this right now, you are probably a really caring, kind, compassionate person. This doesn't affect, people who aren't that. If you're constantly putting everyone in front of you, and you're really just helping everyone else but yourself, and then you kind of trying to achieve and strive all the time, you can see how that can really affect and self-sabotage your recovery. So if you're struggling with that, if you're struggling with the ups and downs, if you want more routine and structure, if you want a specific plan, I've filmed a short video for you on the next page that really tells you my story and how I changed a few certain things that really helped the trajectory of my recovery, and ultimately helped me improve my life tremendously. This is not a quick fix. This is not an overnight cure. This is just really practical help. So if you want to learn more, click the link here and watch that video, and hopefully we'll speak to you soon. Take care for now. Bye.